Swadikra, welcome back to Hasselblad Expert channel again. Today we at the very famous and very popular temple in the center of ancient Bangkok of Thailand. It's named Marble Temple. Some Hasselblad users maybe have some questions about how the Hasselblad f lenses can be used on the 500's body or not. Actually, the information that we had is about it cannot be used. I will show you how it can be used by crossing the platform from the f lenses on the 2000 and 200s. I'm going to show you how it works. Mostly we familiar with the 500 series and CF or CFE or CFI lenses only. Actually, it can be mounted on the camera easily. It's the same mount. So it can be used together like this. When the f lens is mounted on the V series, the camera body is just only the black box, and the lens have no the shutter speed on the lenses. So I take this opportunity to take the pictures, the long exposures. We can use the regularly cable release from the 135 that can be used on the medium format as well. The lens diaphragm close when I set it up. For use the shutter speed, I use the curtains, camera curtains to control the lighting to more faster or more slower. I can control the speed by myself and use the cable release like this. Okay. I use the polarizing filters. I want to use the speed about 1 second or 2 seconds or maybe longer, because I need to use the curtains, camera curtains and cable release to control. So this is a very important filters that I want to use to reduce the lights. Polarizing filters or ND filters, they have the to reduce the light I want to use for the slower speed. So it's I use the light meter to checks lights going through the filters. 22 and a half, and then it's about radius about 1 stop. I use the adapter that can fit on the lens mount easily. Okay, take her more slower. Okay, hope it good luck. Okay, try another angle. This temple is named Marble Temple. It's very popular, and most visitors who came to visit Thailand to be stopped by at this temple. I have to check the lens diaphragm that have to work correctly when I press down. Now I set at the f16, so it should be 16. Move to the f4, and then the lens diaphragm should be right open at the f4. Okay. The sun is 16 to be very important when we have the light meter. Mostly the lights in there about 6 p.m. in the evening, the twilight and the lights and used with the ISO 100 should be about the f11 1 second or 16 1 second. Okay, try another angle. Okay, we try this angle up here. Okay. 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, just try out to find that the f lenses on the 2000 and 200s camera series that can be used on the V series or not. I hope some practice or this lesson can give us some inspiration that can be shared together after in different platforms between the V series and the 2000 or 200 camera series and the lenses. Okay, hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, see you next. Bye. สวัสดีครับ We are trying to another place. It's a throne hall next to the streets, but we have to cross the road and about 5 minutes walk. It's a nice place too. Okay, be very good luck. Mostly it's prohibited to not take photographs here because these are the palace areas. So we have very lucky today. Next time we have to come here early. Okay. Any photographer who want to take pictures, okay, sometime allows and sometime private. Depends on your luck. Okay, 10 seconds. F16. They have some restrict area. We can take just the throne halls and the monument. Okay, the last. Okay. The King Rama 5 monuments. Very respectful. Again, 10 seconds. Alright, it looks like a photo survival to capture the best moment through the